Drawing hands is a struggle for a lot of artists, but don't fret because I am here to show you the simplest ever method of drawing hands. For now, we're going to cover 4 basic angles for the hands. We're also going to discuss the proportions of the hands, so let's get on with this. Okay, so I took a photo of my hand, and the first thing we're gonna do is break it down to basic shapes. We're going to divide the palms into 2 parts. For the first part, as you can see here, we have a trapezoid shape like this. If you look at your hand, you can see that there's a line that goes across the palms. Did you know our palms fold in this line? This is essential, so we're gonna draw a guideline for it. Now there's another guideline we need to draw, and it's this diagonal line right here. This is where the thumb part folds. We're gonna draw the second part of the palms from this diagonal line. Let's draw this shape like this. This is where the thumb would be. For the fingers, you can use the sausage shapes or just a simple line. You can eyeball the proportion, but I'll give you a rough measurement just in case. Let's do the thumbs first. So if you measure the length from the guideline we draw here down to the base of the palm, that can be the measurement of the thumb finger. So draw a line or a sausage right here in the D shape. For the index finger, measure the length of the palm to the base. The middle finger will be longer than that. The ring finger will be slightly shorter than the index finger, and the pinky will be even shorter than that. When drawing the fingers, we can draw an angled guideline like this. The peak of this line is where the middle finger would be. So now we've drawn the basic shape of the hands, we can draw in the details. Tada! We've drew the hands palms up. Let's move on to the hands palms down. The process is absolutely the same, however, we're gonna add the knuckles. I like to draw diamond shapes for the knuckles. The knuckles are positioned just above this horizontal guideline. After that, we're gonna draw a guideline for the bones. If we check the skeletal structure of the hands, you will notice that the bones fan out, so let's add that to our drawing. Now let's add the details. Here's the finished drawing. Next up is drawing the hands in the side. We start off with another trapezoid shape. This trapezoid shape is thinner and it's nearly forming a triangle. And then we're gonna draw an oval shape for the thumbs. Now let's draw the thumb and index finger. If you notice, the rest of the fingers are peeking behind the index finger, and that is because our palms isn't exactly flat. If we look at it in a different angle, you can see it's actually curvy. So let's add an extra shape for the curve of the palm, and let's draw the rest of the fingers. Add the details. And we're done. Now let's do the other side. Let's draw another trapezoid shape. On this side, the pinky, ring finger, and middle finger are at front. The index finger is just peeking right there. Because of the bone structure, the fingers tend to spread out like a fan. Then let's draw an oval shape for the thumb area and draw the thumb finger as well. Let's add the details. And we're done. So now let's draw it attached to the body. When the character is standing, I would usually align the wrist part with the crotch area. Now, the size of the hands can vary depending on the drawing style. Some cartoon styles uses large hands, and chibi styles tend to have small hands. However, if you prefer a more realistic style, what I would do is measure half the length of the face, and that will be the length of the palms. In the next video, we're going to discuss how our fingers fold and how to draw fists in any angle. So, in the meantime, check out this drawing tutorial.